Earning money on top of your day job can improve many areas of your life. You can upgrade to the new tech gadgets you always wanted, or maybe buy that new dress, or if you like me, help those who are in need and can't help themselves. For me, one of the ways I do that is by entering crowdsourcing projects, not just for the money, but for the challenge and to test my creative muscles. For those of you who don't know what crowdsourcing is the process through which a task, problem, or a project is solved and completed through a group of unofficial and geographically dispersed participants, be it for a paid creative project with clients online on sites like Upwork, 99 Designs, and freelancer.com. Here's my advice to you in case you want to be doing this. It's best to focus on one industry, niche, or sector of the marketplace. Choose an industry that you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. Entering a project. Client decided to go in a completely different direction, so he chose another design. This is both good and bad news. Not winning this context made it bad. Why is it good news? It's good the client made up his mind quickly without wasting any more of my time. Some clients will ask a lot of revisions and still not choose your design at the end. Lessons learned. I noticed although the brief was clear, I needed more copywriting skills to convince the client to choose my design. I have decided to take more courses on that to increase my value as a designer. And some clients too just don't know what good design is. I'll leave it to you. What do you think? Do you think my solution was somehow better than what the client chose? Or you think the winner deserved it? Comment below, let me know what you think. So I hope you learned a lot in this short video, and I believe my workflow has inspired you to start your own project. If you are new to this channel, subscribe, or you're watching this on Facebook, follow this page. There's going to be a lot of videos being released. If you want a full comprehensive video guide on how to do this from beginning to the end, there's a link below, cosmoscreative/project. Go there and you get the full video tutorial. See you next time, guys. Peace.